Are you ready to transform your life and make your dreams a reality? In this video, we'll explore the powerful habit of visualization and how it can help you unlock success, happiness, and fulfillment. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve your visualization practice, this guide will walk you through actionable techniques to empower your mind. Habit 1. Understand the science behind visualization. Let's start with understanding the science behind visualization. It's not just wishful thinking, it's rooted in neuroscience. Let's start with understanding the science behind. When you visualize an outcome, your brain activates the same neural pathways, as if you were experiencing it in real life. This mental rehearsal helps you prepare for success by tricking your mind into believing it's already happening. Athletes, like Olympic gold medalists, use visualization to mentally rehearse their moves, improving their physical performance. Understanding the science behind visualization gives you the confidence to use it consistently. Next, it's important to create crystal clear goals. Habit 2. Create crystal clear goals. Vague dreams lead to vague results. Dreams lead to vague results, so define your goals with precision. Instead of thinking, I want to be successful, visualize specific achievements, like landing your dream job or saving a set amount of money. Imagine yourself in vivid detail, including your surroundings, emotions, and the people with you. The clearer your mental image, the stronger its impact. Habit 3. Engage all your senses. True visualization isn't limited to images. It's a multisensory experience. Engage all 5 senses to make the mental picture more powerful. Hear the applause. After delivering a great presentation, smell the ocean breeze. If your goal is a vacation, or feel the texture of the keys to your new car. When you involve your senses, your brain believes the experience is real, increasing the likelihood of making it happen. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you create a brighter future. With the understanding of its science, crystal clear goals, and the engagement of all your senses, you can transform your life and live the life you've always dreamed of. So get ready to harness the power of visualization and make your dreams a reality. Are you ready to take your visualization practice to the next level? Habit 4 emphasizes the power of combining visualization with positive affirmations. Affirmations are key statements that align your mindset with your goals. When visualizing success, repeat affirmations like, I am capable of achieving great success, and abundance flows into my life effortlessly. By combining these practices, you reinforce your belief in your ability to achieve your goals, eliminating doubt and fear. Moving on to habit 5, consistency is key. Make visualization a daily habit by dedicating at least 5 to 10 minutes every day to this practice. The morning is an ideal time, as your mind is fresh and focused. You can also incorporate it before bed, allowing your subconscious to process your visualizations overnight. Over time, this habit rewires your brain for success, just like any other daily routine. Next, habit 6 focuses on using visualization to overcome obstacles. Life is filled with challenges, but visualization can help you navigate them. Instead of focusing on fear or failure, visualize yourself overcoming obstacles with confidence and ease. Imagine staying calm and composed during a difficult conversation, or finding creative solutions to a work problem. This approach builds resilience and trains your brain to seek opportunities instead of setbacks. Moving on to habit 7, creating a vision board or utilizing a digital visualization tool can take your practice to the next level. A vision board is a tangible way to reinforce your visualization practice. Gather images, quotes, and symbols that represent your goals and place them where you'll see them daily. If you prefer a digital format, use apps or wallpapers that serve as constant reminders of your aspirations. These tools keep your goals at the forefront of your mind, motivating you to take action every day. Finally, habit 8 emphasizes taking inspired action. Visualization is not a substitute for action. It's the first step. Once you've visualized your goal, identify the actions needed to achieve it. Break your goal into smaller, manageable tasks and take consistent steps forward. Visualization helps you stay motivated and focused, but it's your actions that turn dreams into reality. In conclusion, visualization is a transformative tool that can bridge the gap between where you are and where you want to be. By engaging your senses, clarifying your goals, and pairing visualization with daily action, you can unlock your potential and design a life you love. Start small, stay consistent, and trust in the process. Everything you visualize today is a step closer to your future success.